how to turn off iPhone with the side button. There are various ways to do it in different phone models. In 7 Plus, what you can do is press the volume down button and power button at the same time and keep on pressing it until it is turned off. In 8 Plus and more version, what you can do is press the power button and home button at the same time and keep on pressing it until it's turned off. For X and more, you want to tap on the volume up button once and down button once and keep on pressing the power button until it gets shut down. So that is how you can turn off iPhone if screen is frozen. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.